This is the first video of the Linux playlist on this channel, and in this playlist we'll be talking about tips, tricks, and techniques that we can use on our operating system. And in this specific video, I'm going to talk about .deb packages. At the first step, I'll be creating a very simple executable program using C++ that we can run on our machine. In the next step, I'll be packaging it as a .deb package. Afterward, we'll be installing it on our machine and testing it, and at the end we'll be uninstalling it and also removing all the configuration files associated with this program using two methods. As said, the first step is creating a software that afterward we can package it as a .deb package. So let's see how we can do it. Here I have my Debian machine up and running and a terminal window open, and I start with creating a directory and call it hello world, and then navigate to it, and here I use vim to create a file called main.cpp, and I press I to start editing it, and the first line will be of course include IO stream, and then I create a simple function that just outputs a simple string std cout, and just a hello world will do the job, std end line, and then return 0. That will be enough for this program. I save the file and use G++ to compile it as hello world. So far we have created a program and compiled it, and it's executable. Now it's time to create a Debian package out of it. At this step, we'll be creating necessary directories and files to package the software as a .deb package. For the packaging process, we need some files and directories. Let's create them by mkdir hello world, and let's give it a version, and user local bin will be one of the directories, and the other one will be Debian. Now we need to move the executable program to the bin directory, so let's do it by mv hello world, and then hello world version 1 user local bin. The other item that we need is a control file, so let's create it by the vim editor, and it will be called control, and it will be located in the Debian package. And we need some information like this: package version section, and the other information. After inserting it, I save the file. Now we have some files and directories that we need to set permissions for, and these are the permissions that we need to set. Now we have everything set to create our Debian package, and we can do it by typing dpackage-deb --build, and then hello world, and give it a version just like this. And this easy, we can create our Debian package. And if I do an ls here, we'll see that we have the package with the format already compiled here. Now that we have the .deb package ready, we are good to go to install it on our machine. Installing a .deb package is as easy as typing sudo dpackage an I flag as install, and then the name of the package. And by pressing enter and giving system password, the package will be installed. And if I want to use the program, I just need to type the name of the program in my terminal. In this case, hello world. And it will output the string just as expected. So far, we created software, we made a package out of it, and we installed and executed the program on our machine. Now it's time to talk about uninstalling and purging all the information associated with this program from our system. There are two methods to remove a Debian package from our system. The first one is typing sudo the package and -r flag for remove, and then the name of the program, just like this. Pressing enter will remove the program, and also to remove the configuration files we can do sudo the package and --purge, and then the name of the file is. If there's any configuration file, it will be removed. Otherwise, you may see some warning like this. It means that there's no data to remove, so the command is ignored. The other way of removing the package is, of course, doing sudo apt remove and then the name of the package, just like this. And to remove the configuration file, you can do sudo apt purge and then the name of the package, hello world in this case. Of course, this one won't work because we have already uninstalled the package and the configuration files. But after removing these, it's good to make sure that the system is clean by just typing sudo apt auto remove, and it will remove all the unused dependencies from the system. After uninstalling and cleaning up to make sure all the uninstall process has gone well, we can type which and then the name of the program, in this case hello world. And if you don't see anything just like this, it means that there's no data associated with this program installed on the system. During this video, we created a software, we made it executable, and then we created a .deb package out of it. Then we installed and tested the program, and after that we uninstalled the program and configuration files and dependencies. Hope this helped, and until the next one, I bid you farewell.